Welcome to our journey through some of the most beautiful places in America. From towering mountain ranges and verdant forests to dramatic coastlines and arid deserts, this land boasts an astonishing tapestry of landscapes, each one a testament to the power and artistry of nature. Get ready to be inspired by nature's wonders and breathtaking landscapes. We'll journey through time, witnessing the ancient forces that have shaped these remarkable places. We'll encounter a diversity of life, from the soaring birds of prey to the delicate wildflowers that carpet the meadows. So, join me now as we embark on an unforgettable adventure, exploring the raw beauty and unparalleled grandeur of 10 stunning places that make America truly remarkable. The Grand Canyon, a vast chasm carved over millennia by the relentless power of the Colorado River. This monumental rift in the Earth's crust stretches for 277 miles, its sheer scale difficult to comprehend. As we gaze down upon this immense gorge, layers upon layers of colorful rock tell a story of geological time, a story stretching back almost 2 billion years. The canyon walls, painted in hues of ochre, crimson and violet, change with the light, revealing new intricacies and hidden depths. The play of light and shadow creates an ever-shifting panorama, a testament to the raw power and artistry of nature. Yellowstone, a land of fire and water where the Earth's primal forces are on full display. Here, beneath a thin crust, lies a supervolcano, a sleeping giant that reminds us of the immense power that lies beneath our feet. Geysers erupt in plumes of scalding water and steam, a testament to the intense geothermal activity below. Bison graze in meadows dotted with bubbling mud pots, seemingly unfazed by the volcanic forces shaping their world. Yellowstone is a stark reminder of the raw, untamed beauty of the natural world. Yosemite, a land of towering granite cliffs sculpted by glaciers and adorned with cascading waterfalls. El Capitan, a sheer rock face rising over 3,000 feet from the valley floor, stands as a testament to the enduring power of nature. And then, Yosemite Falls, a symphony of water plunging in 3 magnificent leaps, filling the valley with the roar of its descent. This is a landscape that inspires awe and wonder, a place of profound beauty that nourishes the soul. The Great Smoky Mountains, a world unto themselves shrouded in a blue haze that gives these ancient peaks their name. These mountains, some of the oldest on Earth, are cloaked in verdant forests, home to an astonishing array of plant and animal life. Black bears roam these woods while salamanders, more species than anywhere else in the world, thrive in the damp undergrowth. The air is alive with the sound of birdsong, a chorus that echoes through the misty valleys and ancient forests. Zion Canyon, a sanctuary of towering sandstone cliffs, sculpted by the Virgin River over millennia. The sheer rock walls, glowing in hues of red, orange, and pink, rise thousands of feet above the canyon floor, creating a world of vertical wonder. Emerald pools, fed by waterfalls cascading from the cliffs above, offer a welcome respite from the arid landscape. Here, amongst the towering red rock formations, we are reminded of the power of water to shape even the most formidable of landscapes. Glacier National Park, a land where time seems to stand still. Here in the heart of the Rockies, glaciers carve their way through the mountains, leaving behind a legacy of pristine lakes, cascading waterfalls, and verdant valleys. Mountain goats scale the sheer cliffs with effortless grace, while wildflowers paint the meadows in a riot of color. But the glaciers, these ancient rivers of ice, are what truly captivate, their icy blue depths reflecting the pristine beauty of this wilderness. Bryce Canyon, a surreal landscape of towering sandstone spires known as hoodoos, sculpted by wind and water into fantastical shapes. These crimson-colored pillars, some reaching heights of over 200 feet, create a mesmerizing panorama, a testament to the relentless forces of erosion. As the sun sets, casting long shadows across the canyon, the hoodoos glow with an otherworldly light, transforming this already extraordinary landscape into something truly magical. Acadia National Park, a place where the rugged beauty of the Maine coast collides with the grandeur of the Atlantic Ocean. Granite peaks rise from the sea, their slopes cloaked in forests of spruce and fir. The rocky coastline, sculpted by the relentless pounding of the waves, is a haven for seabirds and marine life. And then the sunrise over Cadillac Mountain, casting its golden light across the ocean, a moment of pure magic. Arches National Park, a testament to the power of wind and time. Here, amidst the arid desert landscape, nature has carved over 2,000 sandstone arches, each one a unique and delicate masterpiece. Delicate arch standing alone against the backdrop of the La Salle Mountains is a symbol of the park's enduring beauty. But Arches is more than just arches. It is a land of towering rock fins, massive balanced rocks and vast sandstone slick rock, all sculpted by the relentless forces of the desert. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, a land of fire and creation. Here, on the Big Island of Hawaii, we witness the awe-inspiring power of active volcanoes. Kilauea, one of the world's most active volcanoes, erupts in a fiery display of molten lava, a stark reminder of the forces that forged these islands. Yet amidst the volcanic activity, life finds a way. Lush rainforests cloak the slopes of the volcanoes, while the black sand beaches formed by lava flows are a testament to the ongoing cycle of creation and destruction. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through America's most beautiful places. From the towering peaks of the Rockies to the sun-drenched beaches of Hawaii, we've witnessed the astonishing diversity and unparalleled beauty of this remarkable land. We hope you feel inspired to explore these natural wonders and create your own unforgettable memories. Whether you're hiking through ancient forests, marveling at towering waterfalls, or simply gazing out at a breathtaking vista, take a moment to appreciate the raw power and delicate beauty of the natural world. For in protecting these precious places, we protect not only our planet, but also the spirit of wonder that makes us human.